Okay. Good afternoon. William from Williams, Philippines. It is July 18th, 2024. It's Thursday. My wallet is screaming. Anyway, up to 118 subscribers. Thank you. I got 3 new subscribers in the last couple of days. So, yay. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification button and comment. Please do. Got somebody from Arizona. Thank you. And yeah, trying to keep it going. And need all the help I can get every chance I can get. But guess what? Hey, it's a blessed day. I'm alive, I'm kicking, I'm not pushing daisies, not 20 below, not 120 above, and hey, nobody's shooting at me. Hallelujah, it's a glorious day. And hey, even on the rough days, remember, it could have been worse, and be thankful it wasn't. I mean, seriously, even on the days that they're shooting at you, be thankful they're missing. Always something to be thankful for. Anyway, today I don't think my wallet got out of the way. It got hit. I was going to spend about $350, and I said, okay, I'll allow 50 extra, because I thought, I'd lost a brake shoe. Well, no. Apparently, a drum cracked. Yeah, nasty thing to see happen, or see the results of. It started grinding pretty much instantly, because pretty much it ate the pad, the shoe, and yeah, $500. So a little more than what I was actually planning on, but hey, at least I'm financially sound enough I can take the hit. Doesn't mean I like it. Oh, crud. Especially when I'm planning on selling that thing shortly, I plan on getting rid of it sometime winter, March, April, maybe February. I'm going to try to put it up for sale and see. So yeah, I'm not planning to keep it a long time, but hey, it is what it is. So, hey, so the little Kia Rio 5 is got new shoes in the back, and yeah. But yes, the drum broke, and that drove it up another 100. Yeah. And I only got the back done. I didn't get the front ones done, because they pulled off the front ones, looked at them, and says, you don't need them. So, yeah. I was happy about that. So this all come from just the rear. And like I said, I have a cracked, I had. They've got it now. I looked at it and said, I don't need it. Although I probably should have took it to the scrap yard and got 5 cents out of it. I think that's about what the price of scrap iron is nowadays. I don't know. Yeah. Anyway, my wallet took a hit. It's okay. It could have been worse. And me, I'm one of those folks that I want to be able to make sure I'm riding down the road with good brakes. Because if you don't have good brakes, you don't stop. Or if you do stop, it takes a lot longer than what you plan on, which leads to disastrous encounters. So, yes, it is better to go ahead and get something like that fixed. So, I have a new drum. I thought about going ahead and adding another $100 to it and getting the second one. No. Like I say, I'm planning on selling this thing. It only really needed the one drum the mechanics always want to put them on there in pairs, but I did have them put new shoes on the other side, so yay. It's a good thing. So I actually have some solid brakes. Really good. They're biting down real hard and saying stop now, or yesterday actually. It's a good thing. Yeah, my brakes are actually really stopping good. And I noticed, I was driving along, it was good, I had brakes, I was okay. And then this pop happens and I've got a grinding. Well, the grinding's gone and the brakes are working real good again, so yeah. Let's see, what else? Oh, went to the farmer's market, walked over from the mechanic shop and walked over there. It's only about a third of a mile there and third of a mile, so say a half mile round trip, 1 mile. And I got a batch of little red potatoes and some onions, and I spent $3 on a half dozen ears of corn. Got home and turned out it was 8 ears of corn. Yay! So I've got some sweet corn there. From what I understand, veggies over there are so much cheaper than what they are here. But yes, the organic vegetables here aren't cheap, but they are there. And you can get them, which is a good thing. Fluids, actually not a good one. I already drank 3 cups of coffee at the mechanic shop. And yeah, now I'm drinking Coke. I'm probably not going to sleep real good today. I'll probably be tossing and turning. Usually when I drink my caffeine, my coffee, it's later or early morning for me, which is later in the evening for y'all. 11, 12, 1. Usually by 1:30, 2 o'clock, I completely give up on caffeine. The fact that I've drank a bunch of it since about 8:30 at the shop, and yeah, I'm probably not going to sleep well. And yeah, drinking Coca-Cola is not good for you anyway, too much sugar. But hey, they didn't have any stevia at the mechanic shop, so I was drinking sugar anyway. Yeah, not good. It is what it is, though. The thing is to try to mitigate the bad sides and try to keep it toward the middle of the road, as opposed to doing too much or none at all. Try to keep it toward the middle or maybe a little low on average from what, yeah, try to eat better. That's why I'm trying to eat more veggies and beef, well, meat, protein. But what did I do? I bought potatoes and corn. Yay, starches. But hey, it's good. Oh, I got a little squash too. I forgot about that. I swung by and picked up, they had some squash on sale, or not squash, but shrimp on sale at the grocery store. And so I got a half pound, but it was on buy one, get one. So I got a half pound of shrimp for $5 and got the other half for free. So I got a pound of shrimp for $5. Hair over. So yay! That's a good thing. Also picked up a pound of Alaskan cod. I'll be eating that sometime, maybe tomorrow. I don't know. I'm planning on having shrimp stir fry when I wake up. I know, not exactly your normal idea for breakfast. I just finished eating some fried chicken, and yeah, just the fried chicken, and yeah, it had the breading on it, so I got my starch. But that's all I ate. So the puppy dogs are going to be happy. I threw out the bones, and I left them some scraps on there. I didn't go gnawing the bones too much. Don't have real good teeth for gnawing unless I'm wearing my dentures, and that's a little rough on the gums. But it is getting better, and I can actually eat. I can do that, and it's just a little rough. I'm getting to where my dentures are actually not painful. So, yeah, they've adjusted a little there, and I don't know. I might go back and try to get them to burr it down another little bit. I don't know. We'll see how this last one works out. But yeah, no, I'm not wearing them today. I pulled them out yesterday and put them in there, and I put them into clean, and they're cleaning. And, well, I just wasn't feeling like it this morning, so my wonderful Terrify the Pumpkins. Yeah, the jack-o'-lanterns are jealous of my smile. It is what it is. Anyway, I hope everybody's having a blessed day. My wallet will survive. Yeah, a little painful. So I guess today I did take a hit. The financial guns were shooting for me, and I took a hit. I survived. Yay, be thankful. A lot of folks couldn't take a $500 hit. And yeah. What's worse is half of it was actually I'm just going to take money from one spot in the bank account and go drop it on that to cover half of it. But would have been better to have not got hit for all of it, or for the whole amount there, but half of it's better than all of it. But then again, there went my little bit of pocket change for in case of, because in case of happened. I've been listening to, the financial situations, and they're talking about how most folks in the U.S. can't afford to get hit for $1,000. They just don't have the ability to handle it. Boy, don't get me wrong, I handled 500. I could have handled 1,000, but yeah, I understand. It's not easy getting a financial hit like that. But, yeah, apparently I'm doing better than a lot of folks here. And, yeah, I'm not high end here. Yeah, I hear folks over there say you have to have $2,000 to survive in the Philippines. And I'm like, I'm doing on less than that here in Texas. I just don't get folks sometimes. Well, it could have been worse, and I'm thankful it weren't. Always remember to be thankful it wasn't worse. Even on a bad day, it could have been worse. Anyway, I'm William. This is William's Philippines. And I hope y'all are having a wonderful and blessed day. Thank you. Thank you very much. And please hit like and subscribe and comment. Blessings to all. I'm Fish. And hey, Fish is out.